Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. So guys, today's video I will be making carrot hair butter, hair grease butter. So this is going to be carrot complex, so you can use it for your hair to moisturize your hair. Guys, the good news that it can also help to promote hair growth, like moisturize your hair and your scalp, keep your hair out of dandruff, prevent hair loss and all that. So guys, in there I have my soya beans and sunflower oil. So guys, I've already added enough to it, so then I just decided, let me just film this video and show you guys how I make my carrots and ginger hair grease butter complex. So guys, this is my ginger powder. So if you have fresh ginger, you can use it. So I don't have fresh ginger, so I have this powder ginger, so I decided to just use it. I've already added 1 spoon of this, so for the video sake I decided to add another 1 spoon again. So now I'm just going to mix everything together, then I will just um, um cook it, so to get the carrot and the ginger oil, guys. So now it's on the gas. As you guys can see, you don't really have to cook this for a very long time, just for the ginger and the carrot to release their nutrient inside the oil. So guys, to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming. I appreciate you guys so much, I really do. If you are new to my channel, you are also welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch my video. I do appreciate you too. If you just subscribe to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate you all. Thank you so much for the love and support. So guys, now my carrot oil and ginger is ready, so I've already off the gas, so I'm just going to just bring it down now, allow it to cool down for some minutes, then I will use my strainer to strain it out. So guys, here I've already strained out my oil, so now I'm just going to add the rest of my oil. So I'm going to start with olive oil, guys. Then I have my sweet almond oil. So here I have my grapeseed oil, so I'm just going to mix that now. This is kind of a great moisturizing oil, so I'm going to mix everything. I'm just going to take some out because I think the oil is too much for me to make this DIY hair grease butter complex. So guys, here I have my shea butter, so I'm going to add shea butter. You can use any butter, you can use mango butter, what they call it, avocado. So here I have my lanolin. So if you don't want to use this lanolin, you can skip it and just use just butter. Just do what you know is going to work for you. So here I have my petroleum jelly, which is Vaseline. So I'm going to also add Vaseline to it, guys. This product is so good to moisturize, keep your hair very moisturized for a very long time. So guys, I'm also going to add cocoa butter, guys. I love cocoa butter a lot. So here's my castor oil. So here I have my coconut oil. So guys, I'm going to add coconut oil, guys. Any oil that you don't like, you can just remove it and use what you like. So these are oil that work for my hair. So if you have any other oil, you can also add. Yeah, I have my glycerin. So I'm going to add also glycerin. Here is my beeswax. So you can use any wax that you have. You can use beeswax, emulsify wax, whatever wax that you want to use. So guys, now this is my uh, oil. So I'm just going to keep this oil aside. I'll be using it on my hair, so on my hair and also on my scalp. So now I'm just going to bring this to melt. So guys, I've already made it. As you can see, I'm just going to mix it together again. I'm going to keep it in the fridge and allow it to cool down for some minutes. So then I will be right back to show you how it looked like. So guys, after some minutes now, this is how my hair grease butter is looking like, as you can see. So I'm just going to use that my little spatula to mix everything together. Just be patient while you are doing this. It might take a little time, so just mix it to your perfect consistency, then just continue mixing it. That is just it. So guys, this is how it looked like. Now it's very light in consistency. So if you don't want yours to be light like this, don't just worry. As the days goes on, so the product is going to get thinner and thinner and thinner and thinner. So I'm just going to transfer it to my jar to keep it for further use, guys. This product, I can tell you that is so moisturizing, and it's also good for hair growth. Like, it contributes a lot to hair growth. Most importantly, it's going to keep your hair moisturized. Like, your hair is going to stay moisturized for a very long time. You can use it as a sealer after moisturizing your hair with your leave-in or a moisturizer. Just use this on top of it and just seal in that moisture, guys. Your hair is going to thank you for this. So guys, this is basically how I make my carrot hair grow butter, hair grow grease butter, guys. This is so amazing, so moisturizing, so shiny. When you use it on your hair is going to be shiny. You're going to make your hair look thicker, fuller, shinier, and healthier as well. So this is how it's looking like. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really do appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you all in my next one. Stay blessed and stay safe. Share and subscribe. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.